Pull it, pull it, pull it. It's not going nowhere, sis. Check it out.
We got some hold.
This video is going to be very detailed and very beginner friendly, so please check it out.
Hey beauties, Kaden here and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, if you're new, please don't forget to go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, leave all your comments. If you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you for tuning in. So first, I'm going to go in and I'm going to apply makeup to my lace so I can match it to my skin tone. So I'm using a liquid foundation that's close to my skin tone. And as you can see, I went ahead and dab it on the back of my hand before placing it directly on the lace. Now you have to, for this install, every install whatsoever, for your lace to hold, you have to clean the surface off. So I'm using 91% alcohol and that works great. So I'm just going in, putting my baby hairs out the way, getting my baby hairs out the way, and then I'm going to line up my wig. So yes, I'm going to line it up before I start adding my, you know what I'm going to use, because you see the title, my spray.
And do you see this? Look at this blonde. It's giving me a vibe. I like it. And this is a spray that we're going to be using today, and the main reason is for us to test it out. So could this be a replacement for the Bedhead? Just watch and learn and see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and pull my lace out the way and melt in sections, starting with the top, the middle portion of my forehead, and I'm gonna just spray it on and wipe it. I don't want to use no blow dryer because my baby is sleeping and I don't want to wake her up, so I'm just gonna let it dry. So the thing is, it says there's no stickiness, no residue, and it's fast drying. So I'm going to go ahead and test it on the back of my hand. Now when I test it, I can definitely say that the hold is not as strong as the Bedhead, but it's usable. If that's a word, you can use it. And this spray smells so good. Now I'm subscribed to Larissa's channel, Larissa Andrea, and I saw her doing this, so that's why I went ahead, purchased this. And please don't drag me in the comments, say, oh, I did it first or whatever. This is the person I saw doing it, Larissa, so I went ahead and I purchased. And yeah, so as you can see, I tried to do my entire forehead to place the frontal down at the same time, but it didn't work out for me, so I had to go ahead and go in sections, clean it off, and yeah. And look how precise it's spraying. It's like spraying in a direct line, so you don't have it going all over the place. It's spraying directly where you're spraying it or where you want it to go. So I'm just fanning away with my piece of napkin, and then I'm going to go ahead and place the lace in the glue to get that nice little melt. As you can see, I placed the top portion first, and I'm going to use this small smooth comb to like smooth it in. So just watch and see what I'm doing. I'm just smoothing it in. As you can see, that side sticked, but this side wasn't cooperating. And I used about 3 coatings, so I sprayed it on like about 3 times, like I would do with my other sprays or my glue. Now, so while I'm doing the melt on this side, I'm going to tell you all the deets about the spray. So it's the Got2b high insta hold. It says it's fast drying high hold hairspray for all day control. So it says 24 hours old, and it protects hair from drying out, no residue, and no stickiness. And this is 9.4 ounces, and this costs like $4, just $4. So it's like if you want to be on a budget, you can definitely get this over the Bedhead because it's 24-hour hold. So I'm going to show you what this install looks after 24 hours. So I'm just going to put the wig on, and then I'm not going to do my makeup or anything until the next day when I'm going to give you the big reveal. And look, I'm pulling on it just like I did with the bed head, and it's not going anywhere. So I'm just gonna test it out for the 24 hours and see how it goes, if this is a replacement or not. So I went ahead and did some baby hair situation or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead, tie my lace overnight so it can get that melt, and then I'll see you on the flip side. So this is me the next day, waiting to show you guys the big reveal, and I'm taking off that thing from around my lace to show you if it actually holds or if it lifted. So this is 24 hours, and yeah, and look at it. This one side is lifting, and you know there's always a problem with where the ears are, because you have to ensure that that portion is like extra secure. So I guess it wasn't, so it lifted. With my bed head, that did not happen, even though I didn't show you guys like a 24-hour update or whatever, but it's still holding apart from that side lifting. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remelt that part, and I'll see you guys in my outro. So I went ahead and beat my face up. Simple little beat with a pop of yellow underneath the eye. I'm gonna post that makeup link later on, sometime in the week or next week. And I'm just gonna go ahead and run the flat iron through my hair, and yeah. Yes, honey, and check out this blonde. It is giving me a vibe and I love it. This is a custom color that I did for myself. This is my first time wearing blonde, and yeah, I really love it. You can check the link down below of how I achieved it. Guys, it's now for me to test it out. So like I did the pull test with the Bedhead, now I'm going to do it with this Got2b. So I'm going to be doing the pull test, and as you can see, it's not going nowhere, absolutely nowhere. It didn't shift or anything, and all I can say is good about this spray. It's like a one-stop shop. You can use it for your baby hairs, you can use it to tame your flyaways, you can use it for styling, and you can use it to lay your lace. So I recommend this one-stop shop. $4 won't harm you, so it's best to get this to do everything. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you for tuning in. Bye.